Assalamu alaikum. In this audio, we will discuss about multi-tenant Oracle database, how to create, plug in, unplug, or delete pluggable databases. In multi-tenant database, you can create pluggable databases. The multi-tenant option introduced in Oracle Database 12c onwards allows a single container database to host multiple separate pluggable databases, that is called PDB. This article covers the options available to create a new pluggable database in an existing container database. The things we will discuss in this, that is how to create, unplug, plug in, or delete pluggable databases manually. There is a way to create or do all these operations through GUI interface, which is called DBCA, Database Configuration Assistant. So we will see how we can do that manually through command line. To create a new pluggable database from the seed database, all we have to do is tell Oracle where the file should be placed. We can do this using one of three methods. If we are using Oracle managed files, we don't need to worry about file placement. Oracle will handle it for us. Or we have to run following command: alter system set db_create_file_dest equals path of your desired place. This parameter is there from the beginning, but container also used the same parameter to place the files. From 12.1.0.2 onward, there is a inline variation of this using the create file dest clause. The path set in this clause will be used as the Oracle managed files location for the new PDB. Create pluggable database PDB2 admin user PDB_ADM. You can make anything like PDB admin, PDB_admin, identified by password 1. Create file dest equals required path. The second method uses the file name convert clause in the create pluggable database statement. You need to connect to database, then create pluggable database PDB2 admin user as you like, identified by password 1. File name convert file_name_convert equals PDB seed file location, comma, the new location as per your requirement. Alternatively, we can specify the PDB file name convert initialization parameter before calling the command without using the file name convert clause. To set that, you have to connect to Oracle, then alter session set PDB file name convert equals the existing location, comma, the new location. So then you can run simple command create pluggable database PDB3 admin user as you like, identified by password 1. Now it will convert location automatically as you set for this session. Every time there is a need to convert file locations, either of these two methods will work. For the remainder of the article, I will stick to using the file name convert method to cut down on the variations I have to display. We can see the PDBs are present by querying the DBA_PDBS and v@PDBS views. The command you can use like select PDB name, PDB_name, comma status from DBA_PDBS order by PDB underscore name. So you can see all the PDBs created and their status. Newly created are showing the new status. Other command to see PDB open mode, you can just run show PDBs. It will show you container ID, container name, and open mode and restricted. So you can see all the PDBs are coming there. PDB@seed is Oracle containers PDB, as you can say, as a template, which always be read only. But the PDBs you had created, their open mode is mounted. They are still not up. You can use below command to open PDBs. You have to connect to Oracle and then alter pluggable database PDB2, for example, open. You can, by this command, you can open any PDB which is not in open mode. Now we will discuss unplug pluggable database, like we created already PDB. Before attempting to unplug a PDB, you must make sure it is closed. To unplug the database, use the alter pluggable database command with the unplug into clause to specify the location of the XML metadata file. Alter pluggable database PDB2 close. This command we use to close the PDB. Alter pluggable database PDB2 unplug into the XML file location, and you will mention the file name as well, for example pdb2.xml. The pluggable database is still present, but you should not open it until the metadata file and all the data files are copied somewhere safe. You can delete the PDB, choosing to keep the files on the file system, which means files will not be deleted. For that, command is drop pluggable database PDB2 keep data files. Select, you can see the status now. Select name open mode from v@pdbs order by name. There now you can see PDB2 is not available because it is dropped. Plugin pluggable database. Now we have a database like which we unplugged in the previous example. Plugging in a PDB into the CDB into the container database is similar to creating a new PDB. First, check the PDB is compatible with this container by calling the dbms_pdb.check_plug_compatibility function. Passing in the XML metadata file and the name of the PDB you want to create using it. You can write small program for this to see proper error message. First, if you are using SQL Plus, first you can run set server output on, and then you can create this by declare L_result boolean, then begin L_result equals dbms_pdb.check_plug_compatibility bracket pdb_descr_file equals path of the file, comma pdb_name equals pdb1 bracket close semicolon. If L_result, then dbms output.put line compatible, else incompatible, and if end. And by running this script, you can see the result if it is compatible or not compatible. If the PDB is not compatible, violations are listed in the pdb_plug_in_violations view. If the PDB is compatible, create a new PDB using it as the source. If we were creating it with the new name, we might do something like this. Command to plugin, create pluggable database PDB5 using the path and the file name of PDB2 previously we took out. And then file underscore name underscore convert equals PDB2 path, and now new path for PDB5. Instead, we want to plug the database back into the same container, so we don't need to copy the files or recreate the temp file. So we can do the following. For example, why this is written here, because in the previous example we dropped the pluggable database by keep data files parameter. It means we didn't remove the files. So in that case, we don't need to copy the files again. So we can use the command create pluggable database pdb2 using the XML file path name. No copy temp file reuse, because all files are there. Alter pluggable database pdb2 open read write. We open it as a read write, even no need to write the parameter read write. If you will just open, it will open as a read write. So you can see the status again by running the command select name comma open mode from $pdbs order by name. Now you can see pdb2 is again there. Delete pluggable database. When deleting or dropping a pluggable database, you must decide whether to keep or drop the associated data files. The PDBs must be closed before being dropped. So commands are as below. Alter pluggable database pdb2 close. It will close the database. It will not be available for any read-write operation. Drop pluggable database pdb2 keep data files. It will remove pdb2 from the list, but it will not drop the associated data files or any kind of files. Alter pluggable database pdb3 close, same. Drop pluggable database pdb3 including data files. Now it will delete all the data files. So be careful while running this. Alter pluggable database pdb4 close, we close that as well. Drop pluggable database pdb4 including data files. It will remove all the data files. Now you can see the PDB's status. Select name comma open underscore mode from $pdbs order by name. So you can see the PDBs we removed, they are not in the list, and only PDB1 is available as mounted. Hopefully you understand the concept and the commands to create, plug in, unplug and delete pluggable databases. And hopefully you like this video. Thanks for listening. We will meet again in some other video. Goodbye.